Hey everybody, it's Richard. I just wanted to shoot a real quick video tutorial on how to create an autoresponder in Now Lifestyle. It's going to be a quick video. I'm going to go through it quick and you can always play it back. But for example, let's just say, excuse me, you have your own lead capture system that you want to populate and use the autoresponders within Now Lifestyle, which is a great idea. So what you're going to do is, if you're already part of Now Lifestyle, you're going to log into the back office, and I'll just show you. When you log into the Now Lifestyle back office, you're actually going to click on, uh, give me a minute here, you'll be at the dashboard. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the Now Lifestyle product suite, because that's what you're going to have as an affiliate or a reseller. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the autoresponder. And I'm going to go through this kind of quick so you can play it over again. There's some functionality in here. Just ignore that right now. Let's just focus on the first step is, in order for you to build your list, you need to create a campaign. And a campaign is what you're going to actually set up an email. So let's just call the email, the campaign, test campaign. Okay? And basically test training. I'll just whatever. And then you're going to say the from name is going to be your first name, and your reply to email that you want to use, your company name. So let's just say Testco company. You're going to have a website URL, and I'm just going to put in there this one because it's an Now Lifestyle one. I'm going to pop that in there. Or it might be a URL of a company that you actually have. So basically, at this point, you've got your autoresponder created. So you are ready, and now it's created. So if you notice, here's the test campaign. So now the next step is you're going to want to click on the message, and you're going to want to add a follow-up message. When it takes you here to this screen, actually, let me just go back here real quick. Let's see. Follow up. All right, so we're actually, I'm going to pick the test campaign because you want to make sure you select the campaign that you want to do it. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a follow-up. And let's just say you want the email to go out after immediately. So when a person opts in to your website, and the subject line, let's just say open up, and then say, hey, hi, and then you can add a field name in here. So we'll say subscriber, first name, okay? And you're just going to go ahead, welcome to my first email campaign, okay? Okay? And then Richard, or Johnny, or whatever. Now keep in mind, this is the HTML version of it, and then you're going to want to copy that and paste it down here in the text version, okay? Because it won't let you do it go any further than that. So I just created the first email that's going to go out when a person opts into the form. You go down here and you click Add, and then you're going to show your first emails in there, right? Now the next step after that is you're going to want to go down and you're going to want to create a new form. And the form is what you actually put on your blog or your web page to capture the information of your prospects. And now keep in mind, you can add multiple emails in here, like send after 0 days, which is instantly. You can do another one that says 1 day, and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. As long as you want to continue to add them, you can build a list that way. Then you go down here and you go create a form, because you need to create a form and you need to have it associated with your campaign. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to say, okay, so I want it to redirect to a generic thank you page, or a page. Let's see here. It's not saying anything. Usually it just there's an audio message there. But or you could just say I want to I have a custom URL. So let's just say after the person subscribes, you want them to go to, you want them to go to, let's just say, I'm just using this as a generic just so you can get the idea. Typically, the best way to do it is have them go to, you want to have a thank you page that you want them to go to. And then if you have tracking, you can learn more about that later on. Ignore all this, double opt-in and pass form, because that's something else. So first name and email is all you want to have set up. Don't put anything else in there. I wouldn't recommend using a phone number too much, because the conversion ratios and people opting in is much better if you use just the first name and email. People like it very, very simple. They don't want to have to give you your phone number, especially if they don't know you. So everything's in there. Test campaign, custom URL redirect here. Actually, this is there's two of them there. You have a thank you page, and then if they're already subscribed, you can actually have them go back to a page as well. It's pretty straightforward. All right, so then you click add, and voila, there you have your first name, which is, you want to make sure it's, actually you want to make sure that it's required. First name is required, and the email is required, so make sure you check those, and just click add, and it updates them. Okay? You always want to make sure you have the first name and email required. Okay? So it's created. So now if you go to forms list, should have created that. That's weird. Forms list and test campaign. Let's see here. It should have had it there, but you get the idea. So if you click that and you click add, the form should be showing up in my forms list. For some reason it's not. I think I'm leaving a step out. Let me just go back here to the forms list again. Test campaign, create a form, test campaign, form. Oh, duh, silly me. Test form. Guess it would help if I see. Hey, you're seeing that? Something. It's good that you see that. So if you run into those issues, then you can actually see what I did. I did it incorrectly. Custom URL. It's going to work this time now because I didn't have a test form name in there the last time. So this time it will, and I want to make this required. And everything else is good. And then just click add. There we go. Yes. Forms list. Now, this is what we get out now. If you have a web page and you want this form to appear on your web page, you're going to need to copy and paste the HTML code on there. Okay? I'm trying not to make this video too long because I want to give you, it's like already 8 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this last part, and then you'll be done. So after your form is created, it's got your first name required and your email required, and then you're going to want to click on this thing that looks like a little eyeball. You click on that, and it's going to open up this form here. And all this code that you see here is what you're going to want to paste into your capture page. Just make sure that when you paste it in your capture page, this form is going to pop up on your capture page after you save it. And then anytime anyone enters their information, what's going to happen basically is this. It's going to happen is they're going to end up they're going to be added to your campaign, okay? And you're going to end up having them as a subscriber. So if I look at your, there's no subscribers currently in the campaign, but let me see here, it'll list all that. See, there's no one in there. So once they actually opt into your form, they're going to start showing up in here, and when they actually show up in here, then they're actually going to start getting the follow-up messages that you created in. Isn't that slick? So you just passed the 101 on the Now Lifestyle, how to create an autoresponder, how to add a message, how to create a form, and then how to get the HTML code so that you can add it to your blog and your website. Hope you found this video of value. Please like and comment and share it. And also feel free to reach out to me on Facebook, and I'll be happy to. If you're not in Now Lifestyle right now and you'd like to get plugged into a team that will help you to be successful and make money, with it, then shoot me a message. I'm more than happy to get you going. Have a wonderful day, And thanks to you for very much for checking out the video. Take care.